In this session, we'll learn how to register and search chemical materials using MMS module. MMS consists of register and search buttons. As you click the register button, you can select material type of chemical, polymer, non-chemical, and mixture through independent registration window. Let's look at how to register a chemical material first. At the left side of the Registered Chemical window, you can check for duplication of chemicals in present MMS database. Redundancy is checked by structure as well as various types of data such as general information, supplier and catalog number, and so on. Let's search a molecule containing 10 carbons. Type C10 in the formula field and then click the search button. Hit list will appear in the right panel. When clicking the plus button, sample list will show up. If any redundant material is not found in the MMS database, click the Add Material button at the bottom of the right panel. You can submit information of a new material in 3 ways. The first method is by drawing a chemical structure using a draw tool. Select a type of sketcher by right-clicking on blank structure window. Then, select Current Sketcher menu. If you don't have any available sketcher, you can use XLSJ Draw for free. Another way is by importing a structure file of your molecule. The last method is using cost number. If you already know cost number of your molecule, the material information can be found from sample material library. The heat information will be automatically inserted. The sample material library possesses information of chemical materials, including cost number, collected from sigma average. Molecular weight and formula will be automatically computed according to its chemical structure. Enter additional material information and then click the Save button. Next, we'll search material information. Search tool menu allows you to find the material based on its type. Let's click the Chemical button to search chemical material. MMS takes multi-tier hierarchical data structure holding material, sample, and property. Material may have several samples provided by different suppliers. Moreover, each sample may have its unique properties. Material carries searching function using general information, structure, name, formula, and so on. In the sample panel, search can be performed by project or supplier information. Samples of a public project are accessible to all users, and samples of a particular project will be available only to project members. Property panel offers search by property name and quantitative value. Click the Add button to append a new property query and search conductivity property. It searches all materials having conductivity property information. If you change type to value, it searches specific quantitative value of conductivity. Switch operator to range. Type the value from 1 to 10 millisiemens and then click the search button. Heat list is displayed in the chemical list window. It shows chemical materials containing conductivity property of 1 through 10 millisiemens. Once you click any material name in the chemical list window, Chemical View window is automatically opened, and you can inspect and edit the material information. Material panel displays general information. When you click one sample, Property panel opens in the bottom of the window. Here, you can find conductivity property of 2.5 milligauss, which confirms that the search query of from 1 to 10 milligauss is satisfied. To add a new sample, click the Add button in the Sample panel. Add Sample panel appears in the right side of the window. First, select project where the sample is included. Since every sample is associated with a project, sample information will be visible only to project members. If you have a project saved as public, all users have access to the material information of it. In addition, you can select multiple projects for a sample. Select a supplier from the drop-down list and enter a catalog number. To save new sample information, click the Save button. To add and analyze data for a sample, for example, MSDS or spectrum data, click plus button in front of the sample coded in the sample panel. Add Analysis panel opens in the right side of window. Select Type of Analysis and then attach file using File Search button. The attached file will be linked to the sample. To add property of each sample, select a sample in the Sample panel and then click the Add button in the Property panel. Property List and Add Property panel appear in the right side of window. Check the property that you want to add in and click the Select button. You may enter additional property information in the Add Property panel. As clicking the Save button, property list is updated. For each property, you can add analysis file in the same way as sample analysis. Report menu creates reporting sheets of material information. As clicking the Report button in the Material panel, Chemical Report window is opened. In the Information panel, select items you want to put in the report and then click the Preview button. After checking the contents in the report, select a file format to save and then click the Export button. Likewise, you can add specific materials or samples to a cart, create various types of reports, and export to an Excel file. Select materials and samples in the Chemical List window and then click Add to Cart button. If you click the Add All to Cart button, you can add all materials to cart in the Chemical List window. To open Cart window, click View Cart button. In the Setting panel of left side, select items you want to put in a report, including property. Click the Preview button. Report table is created in the right panel. It can be saved as a Microsoft Excel file as well. To include material images, choose Image Included option. Otherwise, choose Image Not Included option to save data alone. Unzip the saved cart.g file and open the Excel file in it. You can see the material structure and information. Clicking hyperlink of name and analysis delivers you to the folder which contains structure file and analysis data file. By now, we have learned how to register and search chemical materials and make a report and cart for further analysis. Thank you.